Hey yo, Coconut, talking about you from Maypen. Shout out to Trump for making America great again. Yo, go back to your country while you cross the water. Look at the Mexicans try to cross the border. You like some bum on the street, begging for quarters. They say I'm a dumb nigga, and I slap your daughter. Battle me and win? This nigga's tipsy, I bring blood, but I stay with a Crip speed. Fuck you up so bad, people looking at me like I'm the nigga who shot Nipsey. Hustle, I bang your bitch till I sprain a muscle. Bitch ass nigga, fuck out of here nigga. Spit the rap about nigga. Talking about
Spit on IG nigga.
I ain't spit around spitter, you already know how it is. It's your turn, get it.
Y'all already know who I beef, got them been to the east. I spit fire like my saliva's made with grease. These rap dudes are bugging and thinking they can phase me. I don't smell liquor, y'all must be crazy. Fuck y'all immigrants, y'all running hard. If I don't know you nigga, you was born on my bad side. Lips small but the punch is great. Have your ball on your shirt like a nigga from an N1 tape. You be stopping with the 8, I'm wild with the 5th. I take you on the rough ride without styles and kiss. And the NY captain. And if I fell off, nigga, I must was laying down when it happened. I'm all action, but y'all dudes are frontin'. Have your favorite rapper dancing by a puff or something. Spit around, spitter. I spit on IG, I spit on Twitter. I spit on your moms, I spit on your babysitter. Bars, nigga, bars. Yo, clash me and win. Hey now your James, your father posting past it after I'm James. You see a mother posting should I leave it I'm James. You coming like one of them laughing names. Yard man not do too much talking. If boy if he dead shot stalking. Plus me always have the iron man like starting. Then circle your black like me out look for parking. Have a girl watch your out, your face she marking. Then push something in your neck with a sharp thing. Then sacrifice your waste life for your offering. After that me I go for your offspring. Spit a rhyme fuck body, ask him.
Fuck y'all niggas, I gotta use the bathroom. Bila pan kala kaniha anders. Bilas ka na milyak makaniyak. Fuck them niggas, man. Gosh.
I give you a foreshadow, I never lie. Today, someone is going to die, dead, like he should. If I don't kill someone, I don't feel good. I strangle your neck till you can't breathe. I'm the type to go on the plane and everyone leave. This battle shit, I always win it. Push my knife in your rib cage and then spin it. Fuck is you talking to? Don't talk to me. Die, motherfucker, die.
Bullshit! Yo, open the fucking door, yo! Open the door! Yo, what the hell, dog? You can't... Yo, y'all do that? I'm in the mind, you what?
You fucking run, you fucking Jamaican, run! Go ahead and run!
Yo, what the fuck, niggas locked the door for us? Yo, Spitter! Oh shit! Spitter! Don't forget to share, comment, and like, and comment who won. See us next time on part